Hello and welcome to all of you guys. Today we are going to learn about mathematics for the class 10 standard. My name is Yogesh Tawade. I have done my Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical. After that, I like to teach the student. So I used to teach the student for the class 10 standard. So basically in this session we will discussing some important concepts and the topic that are relevant to the CBSE class 10 standard mathematics subjects. So firstly, let's talk about the basics. The mathematics is a subject that deals with the numbers, shapes and the patterns. It is the subject that is both the interesting and challenging to succeed in CBSE class 10 standard mathematics subject. So the first thing is that you need to have a good understanding of concepts and the strong foundation in basic mathematical skills. Whatever you have learned from childhood to till 9th standard. So the basic mathematics is very important and everybody knows about it. Now let's move on to the topics that we need to study in CBSE class 10 mathematics subject. The syllabus is divided into the 6 units. Broadly the 6 units are there: the number system, algebra, coordinate geometry, trigonometry and mensuration. So let's take a brief look at each of these units. Now we move toward the second unit, that is the algebra. This topic deals with the study of the variables, expressions and the equations. So you learn about the various algebraic identities, some factorization, then the linear equations in one variable and the quadratic equations. These topics are very important in the algebra. In the third unit, we are going to know about the coordinate geometry. That is, it deals with the study of the relationship between the coordinate points on a plane, and you will learn how to find the distance between the 2 points, the slope of the line, the equation of the line. There is a mean there also. X-axis, y-axis, those terms comes under the coordinate geometry. Now move towards the fourth unit, that is the geometry. From the 5th standard to 9th standard, we know about the geometry. This chapter deals with the study of the shapes and the sizes. You will learn about the triangles, circles, quadrilateral and polygons. You will also learn about the different properties of these shapes and how to calculate their areas as well as the perimeters. Now the fifth unit, that is the trigonometry. It is one of the important topic. Everybody knows about it, trigonometry. This chapter deals with the study of the angles and their relationship with the triangles. You will learn about the trigonometry ratios of the angles and how to use to solve this problem. And this is related with our day-to-day life. How there is a slopes there. What are the ratios of the sine theta, cos theta, tan theta? What is the relationship between the sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta? Trigonometric ratios are there, identities are there. We are going to learn about it. Now the sixth unit, that is the final unit, we are going to study about it, that is the mensuration. This chapter deals with the study of the measurement. You will learn about the measurement of the length, areas, volume, capacity. You will also learn about the different units of the measurements there, how to convert between them. There is a volumes, formulas of the volumes, areas, total surface area. There are the different shapes as well as like the cone, hemisphere, sphere, cylinder. So we are going to study about this in this chapter. Before attempting to solve any problem, and this will help you avoid the making mistakes, silly mistakes, by which we can deduct our marks. So remember the formulas very well, understand the concepts, how the formulas work with that particular problem. So we have to understand this. Then the third point, that is practice solving the sample papers and the previous year question papers. So this will help you to get a feel for the exams and which type of the questions actually asking in the examination. Then the fourth tip is that make use of the technology. We are the technically sound person. There are many online resources and the apps available that will help you to practice and learn the mathematics subject. And finally, the main thing is that don't be afraid to ask for the help. We are a student at every level of our life. So we are eagerly to ask the question to our teachers, to our subordinate, as well as your friends also. The main thing is that we have to ask whatever the problem we have. And also there are the online forums for helping you. That's all of you now. I hope this information will helpful for your preparation and good luck for your examination. We will saw the detailed topic in the next lecture.